Hello, ho, ho, and welcome back to Python, welcome back to Pandas, and welcome back to the new part of the tutorial series. I guess we are at the 9th or 10th or 8th part, but if I had to bet on something, I would bet on the 9th part. So we are at the 9th part at Pandas, and yeah, today we are gonna look at the cut function, which is able to bin and discretize certain data, which is a common step in data analysis. And with the cut function we can use to split and categorize data like we kind of did before, but using certain bins and labels. And let me first create a data frame. I will skip this part so the video length won't be exceeded unnecessarily. So here will be a cut. So here we have our data frame, which has just two series, level and EP. I think of certain characters which have a level, and the EP is kind of the EP which you have. Or let's use not HP, gold. Yeah, let's use gold, because this is not really depending on the level of a character in a role-playing game. And now let's create a level bins. Like, okay, we are having a global variable, level bins equal. Now we are giving the percentage of which percentage which of the levels should be, or which percent of the levels should be put in the data frame when I am printing, or when I'm doing the cut function. You maybe know what I mean with it. Okay, let's do 40. And let's do kind of use labels for the bins. Level bin labels equals, and now let's call them low, medium. By the way, we won't use a label for the 0 one. Higher, OP, unimaginable. And if those labels will make sense, by the way, we didn't want to let's end with OP. If that makes sense, we will see now, because we are using the cut function, which is DataF, and now let's name it level category, or cat, equals now. Okay, let's print data frame again at the end. And level cat equals dataf point cut. And of course we are using the level, like dataf level, and okay, let's try the bins equals level bins, and labels equals level bin labels. Now if we print it, we have to use not our data frame but PD. I'm sorry. Now let's check again. Yes. Now he, depending on the percent, he puts everything under the first 40% to low, medium, next one to medium, 42, 40, higher was 60, 7, and okay, OP is not reachable because yeah, you can't reach 100. But yes, he kind of categorized everything depending on the level, and yeah, we can do the same with our other category, which is gold. Can use, yeah, of course we are typing gold. We need gold and level bins. Gold bins are the same, and gold bin labels, yeah, let's also do gold bin labels, also do the same. So gold bins, because it's easier to compare level bins and gold bins for that. Gold bin labels, let's check. Okay, we get not a number. I messed something up again. Because, yeah, we need to categorize them with higher numbers, because we have higher numbers there. Okay, I'm totally stupid. Let's do the low one for 400. 600. 6,000. 80,000, and yeah, like this. Let's look, yeah, now it looks better. Medium, higher, 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 low. And yeah, the first one is medium because he's between 400 and 600. The next one is higher because he's between 600 and 8,000, and yeah, so on. If we are having something which is over, how much is this? 10 million, like this. Yeah. He is getting not a number, because there is not any category which is thumbs up OP. Let me test if we PP, if we're doing PP. Yeah, we have to need another value, like, yes, this one, but I don't think it will work. Yeah, because no, I have to add it here again. Delete this one, delete this one. Okay, I need one more. Yeah, there we go. Now we can even reach PP, because I've mistaken my lists for that, but yeah. This can be used to categorize your values and add another column, which is a category. Yeah. Now after adding new categories as columns, we can count them. So we can count how many, how much low, medium, high, and so on was accessed. So we can use a new function which is called value counts. So let's again print DataFrame point DataFrames now level cat, and yeah, point value counts. This is this one, and now we get nothing, because level cat doesn't exist, but level cat does exist. This one. Now we get a new series, because which gives us how much categories were given. Low was given to 8 values, 4 get medium, 1 got higher, 0 got OP. Okay, and yeah, we could do this the same for level gold, but yeah, I don't think we need to do that, because it's obvious what we get there. So yeah, you can also use the values count for other columns. You don't have to use cut before. And yeah, by that I am ready for today's video, for today's Panda tutorial video. I hope you liked the video. Hopefully see you in the next video, and yeah, I hope you have a great evening, dinner time, night time, breakfast time, lunch time, whatever time it is in your country. See you and bye bye.